Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You've joined Brookhaven, so start by locating the radio or boombox in the house or car. Once found, interact with it immediately. Don't open menus elsewhere. Make sure you already copied a numeric sound ID from the Roblox library to your clipboard because you'll paste it next. If the object requires a purchase or key, buy or equip it now. Otherwise, proceed to open the radio interface so you can enter the ID in the next step. Once the radio input is open, you'll paste the numeric sound ID into the field. Avoid URLs or extra characters. You're doing this because Brookhaven loads audio by numeric asset reference, so exact digits matter. After pasting, press Enter or tap Play. Give the server a few seconds to fetch the asset. If you're on a shared server, other players may need to hear it too, so check local volume and confirm you used a sound asset, not an image or decal, before moving on. You should now hear the track. If you do, you've completed the entry and can save or close the radio. If nothing plays, first check volume sliders, both in-game and on your device, because sometimes it's muted. Next, make sure the ID points to a public sound asset and that you copied only the digits. If it still fails, try a different sound ID or re-upload the audio with correct permissions, because blocked or private assets won't stream to Brookhaven servers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.